Why it's important to stay calm when our child is experiencing or displaying a big feeling, throwing a temper tantrum, feeling sad, feeling down, feeling upset, feeling mad. Common theme what I hear from parents is that, if we don't tell our kids, this is not the right thing to do, we should not misbehave, we should not talk loudly, we should do the right thing. And if we don't tell them, I think they are not going to learn how to live in the adulthood life. This is a very common theme that I have heard from parents. And I often tell them, as a parent, it's our responsibility to teach our kids manners, teach them what is right, what is wrong. But I think the timing is important. When our child is going through some big feelings, emotions, sadness, anger, irritability, temper tantrum, feeling frustrated, the part of the brain that receive advice and suggestion does not work at that time. So the more we model calmness in that moment, that will do a couple of things. First thing, it will help them to see, because most of the time, actually, I would say our kids learn what they see more than what they hear. So if they see that their parents are calm when they are having big emotions, they are more likely to share feelings, because most of the time when kids have these big moments, they are trying to communicate something deep inside. So when they feel their parents are calm, they are more likely to share their feeling, they are more likely to share their emotions. And the other thing is they also learn that how to express those big feelings by staying calm. So as a parent, it's important to not let your anger, your reaction get in the way for your child to not share what they are going through. Because unless we understand what our child is going through, it's very hard for us to understand what they are feeling, and it's very hard for us to understand how we can help them.